telling you, Andrew, Billy came a couple of shots of liquor short of possible irreversible coma.
I've seen this kid act recklessly once, maybe twice. Nothing like this, nothing.
Well, he's going to be okay this time. But whatever's pushing him out there, it's still out there. Unless he can resolve it, the same thing could happen again. Andrew, look,
yeah.
maybe you could talk to Billy, huh? Try and find out what's bugging him.
Sure, yeah, I'll do that. God, have I done this?
You want some coffee or something?
Yeah, I'll get it. I want to stretch my legs. Oh, damn it.
No, Walter.
Jenny, just let me handle this. You stay away from us, okay? We don't need you. We don't want you. You have done more than enough. Thank you.
Mr. Douglas, I have done nothing to justify your attitude towards me.
You're incredible. You have no remorse at all, do you?
For what? And I have done nothing regarding Billy that I regret. The question is, have you?
What? You challenging me? I mean, that is my boy in there, and he is barely alive.
That's right, and a kid doesn't drink himself into oblivion over nothing. Maybe, just maybe, Billy had something to say to you that you should have been listening to.
Something like what?
Well, we don't know, do we? Because you never gave him a chance to see it. I'm sorry, Virginia, this is definitely not the place for this kind of discussion.
Yeah, you're damn right. And I'm not going to exchange words with you over my son, you...
Walter.
Come on, Mr. Douglas, say it. Go ahead and say it.
I'm going for coffee. Would you like some?
No. Thank you. Did you come to see Billy?
I was hoping to, if it had been all right.
He's awake now. I think he'd like to talk to you.
Thank you, Virginia. Thank you. Hi. Listen, I can come back later if you want me to.
No. It's okay. Later won't make any difference. Pretty stupid, huh?
Well, I'm not going to say it was smart to pour that amount of liquor down your throat, but this is no time to be kicking yourself around.
Name a better time. I was stupid not only about the liquor.
What else, Billy?
I never should have told anyone about me.
No.
That I was gay. I mean, everything that's happened since then has been so crazy.
Billy, don't blame yourself.
Why
What's
not,
happening?
Andrew? Why not? I mean, I started all this, and now they're saying all this stuff.
This is not your fault, what's going on here.
Yes, it is.
This anti-gay sentiment, it is not aimed at you. You're not the only
Yes,
gay
it
person
is.
in Landview, Billy. And as far as the accusations towards me, that doesn't have anything to do with being gay. That is about people trying to make trouble for me, and you're just an innocent bystander.
But Andrew, don't you see that none of this would have happened if it wasn't for me? You were just trying to protect me. I mean, you could have come out and said, end all this. Look, I'm not gay. You could have said you're full of it, and it all would have been over.
Hey, listen. Listen to me. This stand I've taken, whether you came to me or not, I would have taken that stand anyway. My private life is nobody's business. And that statement goes for you, too. You believe that, right? Huh? Okay.
So who would want to mess you up like this? Who do you think started these rumors?
Who do I think? I think it was well, I think it was a very unstable, very troubled woman who's angry because I couldn't return feelings to her that she has for me.
Marty Seabrook.
I'm afraid so.
Did you, say anything to her about it?
She denied it. But, you know, the more time I spend with her, the more convinced I become that she's the one. She really wants to hurt me, Billy. She doesn't care who gets in the crossfire.
Guess I'm living proof of that. Just barely, anyway.
Marty took you out drinking last night, didn't she? Yeah. Okay, now, Billy, I hope you are very, very clear on the fact that Marty is a danger to you. And anything she says, don't listen to her because she's using you to get to me. Please, promise me that you will not see her anymore.
Hey, no problem there.